Morning, Ride Boy followers. Just woke up. It's ready to go. We're off to Daly Waters today, leaving Barkley homestead. 540 odd k's down the road to Daly Waters. We'll have a bit of a stop for breakfast. Couldn't get much in today, as we're, like I said yesterday, most remote homestead in Australia. So did a few laps around the compound, chased some pheasants around. That's for you, Tony. Beautiful pheasants out here, mate. You'd enjoy it. You'd love the pheasants. Look, they love their pheasants just as much as you, Tony, here. They're even building a special pheasant cage, or as you would call it, pheasant home.
Good morning, Ride Boys. 10 to 8, bit of a late start this morning. Leaving Barkley homestead. Rasco and I will head out, and Rocco will catch up sooner or later, of course. This was the great place. Highly recommended. The service, the room, the food. You just do not expect that in the middle of nowhere, but highly recommended. Me and Rasco waiting on the highway, and sometime soon Rocco will join us. Consistency is his game. We waiting for Rocco again? We waiting for Rocco again? Yep, waiting for Rocco, our favourite game.
Heading to Daly Waters.
As you can see, it's a bit more of the same as yesterday. Straight, flat, desolate country. Perfect riding conditions though. The weather is 13 degrees, it's just near 8 o'clock, and speed limit is 130. Anyway, see how we go.
First stop is where we, I think, cut onto the Stewart Highway. I'm sure it's a Stewart or Sturt. I think it's Stewart Highway. We head up towards Darwin. First stint will probably be about 180 k's before we get fuel. The scenery is still the same, red and bush.
About to clock up 5,000 kilometres since we left Sydney Harbour. That's about a third of what we're going to do. Let's keep going.
Daly Waters, tonight's accommodation. Looks like the plane had a bit of a bad situation.
Hi, Roy boys, we've made it to Daly Waters. We're here at the Highway Inn in Daly Waters. Just pulled up. It was about 540 or 560 or 70 k's today. Close, 540, 560, 570. Anyway, somewhere between 540 and 600 k's today. We've made it here. Not a bad little place, just a service stop with motel at the back. There's John's private jet's pulled up. I think he's just going to take a trip out to the Alice somewhere just for the night and then come back. The pilot's just gone to see what time he wants to leave. He's pulled out all the stops, has John. This is Rocco's Abodes. So today we're in room 5. I'm calling this one Who's on Top. So room 5. And yes, it had to happen. We have double bunks. Beautiful. And yes, a TV. Pretty standard in rooms these days, but we do have a TV.
You joking? Oh, too old for this shit, Rocco. Lucky I've got the TV. You dickhead.
Our entertainment tonight, country and Western.